Pointillism is a technique of painting in which a lot of tiny dots are combined to form a picture. Founded by George Seurat, pointillism relies on the viewer's eye to mix the dots into lines, shapes, shadings, and color ranges of the full scene. Today we're going to learn a little more about pointillism. Pointillism can be done using paint or, in this case, we'll be using markers. Here I have already sketched a drawing that we will be using in order to fill in with dots. You begin by placing dots within the space. At this point, it doesn't really need to be that close. You're just filling in the space with tiny dots. We filled in our space with tiny dots. There was no specific order. Now, what we would do is go back in, and where it's wider spaces, we'll fill it in with even more dots. The closer the dots, the darker that area will appear. So let's go back in and add a few more dots. We've created value by placing the dots closer to one another, and in the lighter areas there are less dots, they're spaced out. I did use two different colors of the burgundy to create the top part. Let's do the same with the middle. The most important thing to remember in this process is the closer the dots, the darker the value. have the gist of pointillism, let's take a look at a piece that's completed. As you can see, this is black and white. The darker areas, the dots are closer. The lighter areas, the dots are further apart. Now that we've learned a little bit about pointillism, let's discuss Georges Seurat. Georges Seurat was a French draftsman and painter, known for originating the pointillist method of painting, using small dot-like strokes of color. He borrowed many of his approaches from Impressionism. Here are some examples of Seurat's work.